Namaste. Hello friends and welcome to the Tuesday session of our favorite Vedic cooking. So this Tuesday is for Mass and that's one of my favorite days. I really don't know, but then my sun sign Aries and my moon sign Scorpio both are ruled by Mars, so maybe that's why. And I'm a very feisty and fearless character basically. So that is what Mars does to you. It gives you a lot of power, a lot of strength, a lot of bravado, makes you fearless totally. You can face any challenge in life without blinking an eye. So, but if it is weak, then you just get very argumentative. You start arguing with everybody for every small thing and it doesn't do anything else for you. It's actually considered a malefic planet, like they say, if you're a Manglik, then you will have to marry another Manglik. Manglik is the position of the Mars in the placement of the horoscope, which is not very good, which is not very strong. So if you marry somebody like that with a weak Manglik, then they tend to get very argumentative and there are a lot of fights in the house. So to balance that, they say that it should be another Manglik, maybe to put up with that also, I do not know. Okay, so if your Mars is weak, pray to any god which is related to Mars, like Kartikeya, or Durga Ma. Any job which is stagnating will start proceeding smoothly. Now the color for Mars, look at me, you can make out bright red. But don't wear too much of red on a Tuesday because that could make the Mars too strong and you might end up into arguments and debates with everything. Okay, but your jobs will go very, very smoothly. And be sure to do at least one thing that you are scared of. Mars will give you that courage and confidence to go ahead with it. But don't go on a date that day for God's sake. Otherwise you'll only end up getting into an argument with your girlfriend or boyfriend, of course. Now, which are the foods which are related to Mars? You must have guessed, all red gravy, tomatoes and stuff like that, and of course pungent chillies and mustard, garlic and masoor dal. And you know what, it is said that Aries especially, they love pani puri, golgappas. You will not believe it, even before I knew that, literally every day I eat pani puri. The minute I go, and it's half a plate of course because I cannot eat one full plate every day. But the golgappa guy has a huge grin on his face the minute he sees me, a regular customer. It's so true. Today we will make something, all the favorites of Mars, and get a Tuesday strong. Shut up. We now have the next very, very interesting recipe, which again it's stuffed capsicum but with the usual Chitra twist. Let's see the ingredients. This time, because we are doing it for Mars on Tuesday, I've taken the red capsicum, not the green ones.
That makes sense.
And usually when we stuff capsicum, they are this huge and eating it is so difficult. You either serve the whole thing or if you cut it, the whole show goes away.
Yeah.
So that is why I have cut them into boats. As per the segments of the capsicum itself, I have cut. Okay, and we are going to stuff each boat and cook it. So what do we have for the stuffing? We have potatoes, all-time favorite. We have onions, and then we have chili powder, and we have garam masala. We have the salt here. We have the coriander leaves. Oh, salt you cannot make out, but then that's absolute must in any dish.
Of course.
And the grand finale for garnishing, we have cheese.
Wow.
I have mozzarella cheese, but you can use cream cheese spread, you can use cheese slices, whatever
any
you
sort
want.
of cheese.
If you don't want, you can skip it. No big deal.
These are really basic ingredients.
Very. but they look so attractive. And you know, these red and yellow bell peppers have their own distinct sweet taste. So it adds to the taste and it looks yummy, and it's something different. We keep eating the green ones all the time. So that's come, let's get going. Okay, so you can see how delicious it looks. The whole thing stuffed with the potato mix. I just mixed up all the ingredients what I showed you, and I have topped it with a few slices of cheese.
So this being exposed like we see in classic bhara capsicum, like that thing can't overflow. So wouldn't it be like wouldn't it
no,
like?
The thing is, in the classic capsicum, you never put cheese. I have done it.
Achha, so that holds it
twist,
together. That holds it together
so
also.
A little bit of oozing is fine. It's how you eat your pizza.
Exactly.
It's like that, and it's not required. It's not necessary that you have to put cheese. I have done it. That's all. So just to give it that twist.
And the tail.
Thoda sa, because I'm not one to use much of it.
Of course.
So, in fact, I would rather sprinkle some water and cook it. This is just so that it doesn't stick.
Perfect.
Otherwise, even the food, you know, ends up, I don't know. I feel it gets an oily taste.
Yeah.
So, somehow
too much oil, of course.
So, when the oil heats up slightly, we place this carefully into it and cover it and keep on sim for maybe 10 minutes.
Okay.
It will cook. The bell peppers also cook very fast.
If we would have put water, it would have cooked with steam.
We won't pour water. We'll just sprinkle it to give it that moisture, you know.
Then it will cook even better, I guess.
It will cook better, and the bottom doesn't get brown.
Perfect. Looks really beautiful.
And it cooks very fast, and since the inside cooking is, stuffing is already cooked, it doesn't need anything. It just needs that the bell pepper should get slightly soft. That's all.
Really beautiful.
So friends, we have seen some of the favorite recipes for Tuesday, and Mars not only gives confidence, it also gives self-pride, royalty. People ruled by Mars, you know, they are very conscious about their looks, their dressing, all these things. They have to look good all the time. Believe me, I should know that. Maybe that's why, you know, I was more attracted to image consultancy and became an image consultant. So anybody at any time you need my help, you want to learn how to manage your image, please, you're most welcome to come to me. My phone number and WhatsApp number is given below in the description. Please contact me. I have done quite a few TV shows also. I will be sharing the links for those. I have done a TV show with Doordarshan and on image management. And it is not just for adults, it's even for the children. In fact, any child above the age of 14 is very conscious about the looks. So they can come to me for their image management consultancy. So, and friends, please remember to watch, share, like and subscribe. Thank you.